Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can start a new voice chat in or on Duck AI in 2026. So let us guide you through it. So I guess in the first step, make sure that your microphone is attached to your computer. For example, if you'd like to access Duck AI on your desktop computer via DuckDuckGo, any other web browser. And after that, navigate to Duck AI. Here in the top left corner, expand the sidebar and use new voice chat. After that, if you're doing this the first time, Duck AI will provide you with a disclaimer like this and ask you to enable voice chat. So click into it. And after that, Duck AI will also ask you for permission to use your microphone by asking you this question. If you're using, for example, DuckDuckGo as a web browser, if you're doing this on another web browser, like on Chrome, for instance, you will see a similar request here, usually in the top left corner, asking you for permission to use your microphone for the given website. So give the permission. Now, due to copyright reasons, I'm not going to start any voice chat here to not listen to the voice of Duck AI, but you can, once you have clicked into allow, you will see the button here at the bottom to mute your microphone, for example. If you unmute your microphone, you will be given the opportunity to speak into your microphone, or you will see also the transcript here of the conversation, of your responses, and also of the artificial intelligence. And you may end the chat by clicking into this button, guys. So let me close that voice chat, and you will see it also listed here in your chats. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.